Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the security violation errors in Battlefield 6. It's actually super easy once you know where to look at in your BIOS. Let's begin. First, you actually need to restart your PC and start pressing the delete key repeatedly while it's rebooting. That's the most common way to enter your BIOS. If that doesn't work, don't worry. Just search online for how to enter the BIOS for your specific motherboard model. Usually it should be either delete or the F2 key. Sometimes other various F keys like 10 or F1, right? Now, once you're inside the BIOS, it sounds or looks very scary, all right? And especially there's going to be different motherboard brands and models. You just need to either go to security or straight go to the secure boot tab. Now, make sure that your system is set to UEFI mode and then enable secure boot. This is the key that fixes this error, which says security violation errors, all right? Now I have it here. Now over here I have the AS Rock version. You simply need to go click on security and then you will find the secure boot option. Enable it, save changes and exit and you're done. We have it here the ASUS. As you can see, you will easily locate the tab for secure boot, enable it, and then you're done. And once you have successfully saved the changes and your PC has rebooted, Battlefield 6 should launch without any more errors. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.